If you love prawns and you're always looking for new ways to cook them beyond the usual fry or curry, this video is for you. Today we're making 3 completely different prawn recipes, each with its own vibe. We're starting with a Korean-inspired Prawns Bibimbap. We'll start by marinating the prawns. In a bowl, add sriracha sauce, garlic, sugar, soy sauce and lemon juice. Mix this really well and then add the prawns and coat them evenly. Let this sit for at least 30 minutes. While the prawns marinate, let's prep the bibimbap sauce. Mix all the sauce ingredients together and set it aside. This will bring everything together later. Now we move to the vegetables. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan and saute the carrots for about 5 minutes until tender. Now season lightly with salt, remove from heat and set aside. In the same pan, add another 1 teaspoon of oil and saute the zucchini for 3 to 4 minutes. Again, season with salt and set aside. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and throw in the spinach. Saute until it just wilts, season with salt, add half the garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Remove and set aside. Now for the mushrooms, heat 2 teaspoons of oil, add the mushrooms and a bit of salt. Cook until all the moisture evaporates and then add garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Set this aside as well. Finally, it's time for the prawns. In the same pan, heat a little oil and add the marinated prawns in a single layer. Let them cook for 90 seconds, flip and cook for another 90 seconds. Now let's assemble the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of bibimbap sauce to the bottom of a bowl. Top it with hot cooked rice. Then arrange each vegetable around the rice in the neat piles and place the prawns on top. Finish with sunny side up egg, garnish with toasted sesame seeds and a drizzle of sesame oil. Mix everything just before eating and enjoy that perfect bite every single time. Now the next one is the Bengali style prawn cutlets. For this, add prawns to a bowl along with ginger garlic chili paste, onions, coriander and grated coconut. Mash everything together really well until it becomes sticky and well combined. Now slowly add rice flour and mix until you get a thick moldable paste. Now shape this mixture into small patties or cutlets. Dip each cutlet into beaten egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Slowly lower them into hot oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. These are crisp outside, juicy inside and absolutely perfect. Now let's move to a South Indian style spicy prawn fry. Start by coating the prawns lightly with flour and deep fry them until crisp. Remove and set aside. Now in a pan, add ghee, dried red chilies and curry leaves. Once aromatic, add the fried prawns and sprinkle in Malgapodi. Now toast everything well and cook for 2 minutes. That's it, crispy, spicy and super addictive. Now there you have it, 3 prawn recipes, 3 completely different moods and endless ways to enjoy seafood at home. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.